Did you know that strawberries can produce more fruit in a raised bed than in the ground? Yes, raised beds aren't just for veggies. They're a game changer for growing fruit, too. If you've got a raised bed or you're thinking of building one, stick around because today, I'm sharing the 10 best fruits you can grow in them, even if you're short on space or new to gardening. Number 1. Strawberries. These are hands down the most popular fruit for raised beds. Why? They love the loose, well-grained soil. Plus, you can plant more in a small space and they'll produce juicy berries year after year. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries do great in raised beds because you can control the soil pH. They like it acidic, think coffee ground level acidic. Use peat moss and pine bark and you're golden. Also, plant at least 2 varieties so they can cross-pollinate. 3. Raspberries. These can get a bit wild if left unchecked in the ground. Raised beds help contain their roots and make pruning easier. Go for ever-bearing types, they fruit twice a year. 4. Blackberries. Like raspberries, blackberries are perfect for raised beds where you can control their spread. Try thornless varieties to save your arms during harvest. 5. Dwarf apples. Yes, even apples. Dwarf apple trees can be grown in raised beds, especially in deeper ones. Just make sure they get full sun and some good staking support. Number 6. Figs. Figs love warmth, and raised beds heat up faster than ground soil. Perfect match. Plus, they have shallow roots, so raised beds work really well. Just don't overwater. 7. Melons. You might think they need tons of space, but raised beds with vertical support work wonders. Use a trellis and sling the fruit with old t-shirts. Trust me, it works. 8. Grapes. A lot of folks forget grapes can be trained vertically. If you've got a sunny wall, a raised bed in front of it plus a trellis is all you need. 9. Gooseberries. Not as common in every garden, but they thrive in cool climates and love raised beds. They're low maintenance, pest resistant, and their berries are amazing for jams. 10. Pine berries. Ever heard of a white strawberry that tastes like pineapple? That's a pine berry. They grow just like strawberries and do super well in raised beds. A fun, unique twist for your garden. Extra advice: use mulch. It helps retain moisture and keeps weeds down. Add compost regularly. Fruits are heavy feeders, so raised beds need more nutrients. Water deeply. Especially in summer, raised beds dry out faster. Try companion planting. For example, marigolds around strawberries help keep pests away. And here's a fun fact. According to a 2025 gardening report, raised bed gardeners get up to 3x more fruit per square foot than traditional gardens. Pretty awesome, right? Alright, which fruit are you excited to try in your raised bed? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing what you're growing. Happy growing, and I'll see you in the next video.